Hey, folks, do you know that new game, Animal Crossing? Well, it has been really popular in the last week or so. Because it has been really popular, I thought to create a video where I take characters from other games, but if they were Animal Crossing villagers or characters. So, I guess it's time for the intro to begin. Okay, so my first drawing is with none other than Poco from Brawl Stars. I wanted to start with something cartoony because Brawl Stars actually has a very similar style to Animal Crossing. I decided that Poco would be a bear. You know, these brown bears, the lazy eyes. Yeah, them. Okay, so a key feature that Poco and only Poco has in Brawl Stars is his guitar. And I did not include it because it wasn't working. I did some thumbnails in my sketchbook before actually drawing it digitally, and none of the versions worked. Every time I liked the thumbnails without the guitar better than the ones that included the guitar. That's the explanation of my choice. Here is Poco as an Animal Crossing character. From a cartoony video game, we're going straight to a semi-realistic video game, and that is Overwatch. As you can see here, I am drawing Hanzo from Overwatch, of course, as an Animal Crossing character or villager. I'm not sure. The creature that I thought suited him the most, I really thought that creature, the perfect creature for Hanzo, is an eagle. I don't know why, but an eagle and Hanzo, I don't know why I thought they are so similar because they're different species, and after all, Hanzo, like his powers are actually with a dragonite. You know, that ability that he and Genji, his brother, have. If you play Overwatch, you probably know what I'm talking about. But that's everything I had to say about the Hanzo drawing, so I'll see you when I finish the drawing. Speaking of which, this is Hanzo as an Animal Crossing character. Okay, so this one is the third, the last, and my personal favorite one. And that is drawing Wattson from Apex Legends that has a super realistic style as an Animal Crossing character. So, when I look at Wattson, the first thing that comes to mind is actually Isabelle from Animal Crossing, and that was like before Animal Crossing New Horizons came out, when I just started playing Apex Legends, and that was at the middle of season 1, and when Wattson came out, I immediately thought of Isabelle because they look so similar and so different in the same time. That's why I drew Wattson as the same dog that Isabelle from Animal Crossing is because I always thought that they look so similar. Everything that I had to say about the drawings is pretty much done. Like, I read my entire script, so I'll see you when I finish this drawing and when I'll show all 3 drawings together. So see you then, I guess. Now this is Watson as an Animal Crossing character. It has been a long ride, but oh boy do I like how all these drawings turned out. I think I started not so good but ended up somewhere where I'm really proud with the drawing. If you would like to download this drawing, you can check out my DeviantArt account because there you can download it for free. That's everything I had to say. Please subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Check out my Twitter for more video updates and drawings that I don't show on YouTube. That was all from me today, and I'll see you in my next video.